Doctors tonight have a warning for parents who may be hesitant to get their children the COVID shot. Our Rachel Krause looks into the growing concern tonight with rising cases among kids, especially our most vulnerable.
You ready? You look at mom?
3-year-old Hattie Seaborn peeks over at mom, keeping a watchful eye on the needle coming toward her leg. No tears here.
All time.
Hattie's parents, Jesse and Stefan Seaborn, in awe of their toddler's courage.
All done.
She was very brave.
Were you brave? Oh. I think we're just really excited to finally be able to have some protection for her.
When the CDC and FDA approved vaccinations for kids 6 months and up a few weeks back, Jesse and Stefan quickly signed Hattie up, wanting her to have protection from COVID-19, just like the rest of the family.
There's always a level of concern just because the variants change, and but you know, that's why we keep up with this.
Dr. Sarah Boslett, Director of Primary Care at Riley Children's Health, says seeing vaccinations now underway for this daycare age group comes as a relief for many.
All these parents who have been at work and missing so much work, and their kids are constantly out and daycares have been closed, finally this age group has access to vaccine, which should help a lot of that issue.
And while there's been steady demand for vaccinations in young kids over the past few weeks, childhood vaccination rates overall in Indiana and nationwide are low. The state reports only 1 in 5 kids between ages 5 and 11 has been vaccinated. Nationally, it's about 1 in 3. Boslett says it's frustrating to see rates so low, with people, kids included, continuing to get sick.
And the only way that this gets better is if we all get vaccinated so that we can decrease our rates overall. And there is a new wave of COVID strain coming through, so we're seeing numbers go up again this month. And we will see more babies and more children in the hospital because of that. And the only way to protect them against those effects is to get vaccinated.
For the Seaborns, they say while COVID-19 is always a concern, getting their youngest her first dose of vaccine brings another layer of safety for their family.
It's kind of emotional to feel like she has at least some protection now, and we can help her be as safe as possible.
And it's also time to start thinking about the other shots your kid needs for back to school season. The state health department has a website set up tonight to help you out. It can link you to the locations, dates, and times for community clinics, and they're open to all children 5 and up. We've got a link for you tonight on WTHR.com.